Hello, this is Fizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to snooze suggested posts on Instagram. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! Instagram suggested posts appear in both the feed and on the Explorer page, and they are based on variety of pictures. Your activity on the apps, such as other accounts you follow and posts you interact with, determines which posts show up in your feed. So here's how to mute them directly from your feed. First of all, you can go to your profile and then click on the upper right corner, the three lines over here. Tap on Settings and Privacy. You can see there's a suggested content. Click on that. There's a snooze suggested posts in feed. You can activate the toggle over here. Suggested posts are hidden in feed for 30 more days. Once you snooze, Instagram will display how many days suggested posts will remain hidden for in this menu. Unfortunately, there's no way to turn off suggested posts permanently. This means you'll need to repeat this step every month. So that is how to snooze suggested posts on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!